Hello friends, this is delta photoelectric sensor. This is also called as diffuse reflective sensor. Its model is PSMR9 US 22. It has got the feature of push pull as well. Push pull means it can be used both ways, NPN and PNP. It has got four wires, blue, brown, black and white. Brown is given plus 24 volt or 12 volt from SMPS. Blue is given 0 volt DC. Black is output, and there is one white wire that is used for two modes. One is called light on mode, and other one is called dark mode. Dark mode means the sensor gives output when there is some object in front, and in light mode sensor gives output there when there is no object in front of it. This sensor has got one teach in button as well. It is used for setting its sensing range. This sensor has got a range of 1 meter, and with the help of this T switch you can change its sensing distance. Friends, you can see it in the circuit as well. You can see push and pull circuit. You can see on upper side load is given plus 24 volt or 12 volts, and the load is switched on by black wire that is carrying negative supply, whereas the load shown in the lower side, minus or 0 volt DC, is directly fed, and the load is switched on by black wire carrying positive supply. Demo of the sensor. We'll see how to set its sensing distance. At present, the sensing distance is set to 100 mm. You can see it here. Now we will check its sensing distance at 200 mm. I'll shift my object 100 mm away. See, now the distance between the object and the sensor is 200 mm. Now we will set its sensing distance with the help of teach in button. Just press teach in button once till LED goes off. Press it once again. See, the sensing distance is set to 200 mm. You can check it here. Now we will set its sensing range up to 300 mm. I'll shift my object 100 mm further. Just press the teach in button till LED goes off. Press it once again. See, now the distance sensing distance is set to 300 mm.